What is going on, guys? It is finally warm outside and I'm so excited to go ahead and start transplanting my seedlings outside. But if you do go ahead and just start transplanting them without doing this one important thing, they're most likely going to die after a couple of days, and that's something called hardening off your seedlings. Now let me give you a great analogy for hardening off your seedlings. Now imagine a baby inside the womb. It's in a very controlled environment, it's a very safe space to develop properly. Now your seedlings, when you start them indoors, it's the same exact thing. It's in a safe environment, it is protected, there's no heavy winds they have to fight against, no harsh sun, nothing against Mother Nature. So it's able to grow very, very efficiently. And now when the baby is born, what happens? It has to slowly build up its immune system, for bacteria, viruses, all kinds of crazy things. Now the same thing goes for seedlings, as soon as you take it outside, it has to deal with the harsh wind, the really, really hot sun beating down on the leaves. It could burn the leaves, So for the baby, it has to develop its immune system in the first couple months, and same thing goes for your seedlings. It has to slowly acclimate itself to the outside weather. And the easiest way to do this is by taking your seedlings outside for a couple hours every single day for about 7 to 14 days, depending on your climate. So for the first day, for example, you might want to take it outside and put it in a shaded area for like 2 hours, get it used to the outside weather a little bit, take it back indoors. The following day, you can take it out for 3 hours. Then the next day, 4 hours, then you can slowly add in sunlight to it too. That way, over time, it's getting used to that sun beating down the leaves. You gotta make sure that you are keeping it hydrated by watering it, consistently, because the sun will start drying out the soil a little bit more. And then after about 7 to 8 days, if you are in a warmer climate and you don't think there's gonna be a lot of harsh weather, go ahead and transplant it afterwards, and your seedlings will be so much stronger and so much healthier. Otherwise though, it's gonna have a very tough time surviving. So it's very important that you harden off your seedlings, so that way you do give your seedlings the best chance of survival and to grow properly. Hopefully this video helps you out, and if it did, please leave me a like, subscribe, and remember guys, happy gardening.